go to your nearest Ulta and get this lovely body butter. Okay? Whipped body butter. This is called Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag coming to you with another video review. And today we're going to get into some of the recent body care items that I've picked up and I just want to share. Around here, we do not gatekeep. So if you're interested in seeing some of my recent purchases, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, I know. Have you seen this shirt before? Your sister gonna give you 2 videos. Okay. We know. We know. Hey, family. Welcome back. If you are new, welcome to the family. Please subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. We would love for you to join this beautiful village. And those that are already subscribed, hey family, how are you doing? I am so glad to see you all again. And we are going to get into some of the recent purchases that I picked up body care wise. And I'm just going to give you my thoughts. All right. Let's get into it. So first off, I got the new Tree Hut scrubs, the sugar scrubs, and I have pumpkin spice latte. This one, and I got these from Ulta. I ordered them online. It still has the little paper on it. And then I also have velvet coffee. Okay, so those are the 2 kind of fall scrubs that they just recently come out with. I will have to say the pumpkin spice is my favorite comparison to the coffee one. And look at the consistency. If you can see it, that's what that is. Honey, this is such a good vanilla. This gives me fall. This is fall. Okay, this gives me vanilla. It does give me that slight pumpkin-y spice in it. This is uber good. Like, I cannot wait to pair this, put this on my body, and just pair it with a good old vanilla fragrance or body butter. Get this, okay? Highly would suggest it. I do suggest Tree Hut scrubs. They're really good. They are fragranted, like you are going to smell it a mile away, and it pairs really good with your fragrances. Your body can be all glistening, and
the water would just glisten all over your body. What did you say? Water would glisten all over your body.
Feeling good and soft because you scrubbed off the dead skin, and just get it, okay? Highly suggest this one. Now, the coffee, sis, bruh, uncle, grandma, auntie, you have to like coffee. And when I mean coffee, like for me, I call myself like a fake coffee lover. Like, I love a sweet coffee, okay? Don't give me that black coffee. Don't give me coffee without any sugar. Like, I love, a latte or a frappuccino or something like that. I like it with sugar, and sometimes, well, I don't really do the whipped cream, but if I'm getting a coffee, I like a sweet coffee. This right here, this your black coffee. This is your no sugar, just straight up coffee grind. Like, this is Yeah. This straight up coffee.
Large black coffee.
A what?
Large black coffee.
Do you mean a venti?
No, I mean a large.
He means a venti. Yeah, the biggest one you got.
Venti is large.
No, venti is 20.
Danny.
Yeah. Large is large. In fact, tall is large, and grande is Spanish for large. Venti's the only one that doesn't mean large. It's also the only one that's Italian. Congratulations, you're stupid in 3 languages.
Like, this is what this is. There might be a slight smell of milk. But it's coffee, it's heavy coffee. So, I don't know if this is going to be my favorite. I did want to get it to test it out. If you're trying to choose between them, I would highly suggest the pumpkin spice, okay? This coffee one is not going to be for everyone. It's just not. It's strong coffee. All right. Moving on. There's not much more I can say about that. Okay. Then I got, there was a Bath & Body Works sale. I think like a body care sale. I know I forgot the detail. But I had to pick up their new body butters. Okay. I don't know if you all picked it up, but I had to. They have champagne, apple, and honey. They have that in a whipped body butter. Okay. Let me show you the consistency. It is a thicker whip, okay? It is a whip, but it is a thicker whip. You can see. It smells so good. Champagne. I'm so glad I got it. It gives me fall scent. Like if I have my Eden juicy apple from Kayali, I would love to pair that apple scent. I have like a sweet kind of an apple. I have like so many scents I can think of that will be so good pairing with this. I'm excited. If you haven't gotten it, please pick this up before it's gone, okay? I also got the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I got 2 of the Marshmallow Pumpkin Lattes. I had to get it. And I'm so glad I got one and a backup. It's so good. It's so pretty. And this will pair really good with your fall scents that has that vanilla, that rich, creamy vanilla. I mean, the marshmallow. If you have Killian, Love Don't Be Shy, this is going to be a winner for the fall. Please pick this body butter up. If you have this, highly recommend. Okay, moving on. Then, now, Josie Maran. I believe it's like the pure vanilla.
Hate it.
I don't like it. I don't like the smell. It is not my favorite. But honey, I decided to give my nose, give Josie Maran another sniff, another try. And she came through. Now, this is the sweet citrus. Now, I don't know if this is new, not new. You all let me know in the comments down below. Like, is this new? Because this would pair very good, sis, with your citrus fragrances. Pick this up. When I tell you sweet citrus, and it smells so good, and it is very prominent, ooh, it is citrus, period. Any citrus fragrances you have, you want to wear it for the spring, the last part, not the spring, the last part of the summer that we have left to go. This is a good pairing. I'm going to even carry this out in the fall. I'm not even going to hold you up. This is going to be with me for fall too. I am so excited. And this is the packaging if you're interested. And I got this from Sephora, okay? This is what the packaging looks like. It's the pink packaging. Get it. Highly recommend. Seriously. Highly recommend. Okay. And last but certainly not least. Okay. I love a Hempz, right? Celebration, birthday celebration, frosting. You know your sis like to smell like cookie cake, crumble, Love smelling like frosting. Okay? You know that's me. That's your sis. That's what she likes to do. But can we really talk about this? Y'all, please go to your nearest Ulta. Okay? Go to your nearest Ulta and get this lovely body butter. Okay? Whipped body butter. This is called frosting. Okay? And when I tell you this, I don't know if you can see it. A little right here. It's almost gone. And I do have a backup, just in case you all want to get it. This is frosting. You know how they had, well, where you say, these are not spirit fingers. These are spirit fingers.
These are not spirit fingers. These are spirit fingers. And these are gold.
This is not frosting. Okay. This is frosting. My frosting, vanilla cakey cake, foodie, smell sweet people, sis family that love this type of scent. Please go to your nearest Ulta. Save some coins. No shade. No shade on Hempz. Save some of your coins and actually get a real true frosting smell. And that looks like this. It's pink. Get that. Okay? That is a frosting smell. This little bitty frosting. She bitty frosting. I'ma still use her, okay? I'm going to use her up. But this and this, I'm sorry you can't see this real good. This and this, no, what are we talking about? No comparison, okay? Get this. All right, that's all, guys. I know this is a quick show and tell, but I just wanted to show you what recent body care items that I have, and because I want to use them, and I'm going to come back to you and let you know, like, how do they feel, how do they work, and kind of give you even more in-depth experience. Again, we've talked about get the Ulta frosting. Please go pick up these. And I would say for Bath & Body Works, wait for a sale. Okay? Did you hear me? Wait for the sale. But you pay full price for this. Okay? All right, sis. Love you too. Okay. Great. Wait for the sale. Okay. And then Josie, Maran, pick this up. I'm not even going to hold y'all. This sweet citrus, get it. And then just doing a little roundup. Sorry, y'all. Get the pumpkin spice. It's not gonna be for everybody. If I had a choice, I probably would put this back, but I'm still gonna try it and see. But this is not my favorite. This is my favorite. I would get a backup of this one. This is good. All right, leave me your thoughts in the comment section. Have you picked up any of these items? Let your sis know. But that is all, family. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below, give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this little show and tell. But thank you, family, for your support. I truly appreciate you all more than you know. I'm so excited to continue this journey with you, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, family.